Out, I got another air fryer for you. Okay, here it is. Comfee, you know, if you were with me a few months ago, they sent me a 12-in-1 air fryer, and they have sent me this air fryer. Now let me just tell you right now, this is very time sensitive. You got a couple of days to get this at an incredibly low price, like better than half price. And this one here is special. Let me get this unboxed and we'll go over this whole thing. Okay, here they are right here. This is the 12-in-1 air fryer combo that toaster oven that I did a few months ago, and this is the new one with the new technology. The biggest difference is this has 10 settings, this one has 12 settings, this one has a rotisserie. This one, we'll talk about more about how this one works here in a minute, but this one here, you know, it comes with your air fry basket, it comes with a, you know, your grill grate, and it comes with an enamel coated tray. You can make pizza, you can make all kinds of stuff in there. And the benefit of this one here, it's got this enamel coated where the other one did not. And as you can see, I mean, I use this thing, and when you wash it, you can wash the chunks off, but these are stains that I really haven't worked on getting out of there. It doesn't bother me too much. If it did, I'd just throw some foil over it. But anyway, so that is a big difference here, having the enamel coated for easy cleanup. So, and then size-wise, you know, the inside of this one has to be a little bit bigger because the rotisserie, and this one is still, I believe, 24 quarts. All right, so anyway, this is all the stuff that comes with it. And that's the bottom heating element. This is a crumb tray that you stick in there. And then what this has is, it's called Flashwave. It's an ultra rapid heat technology. And graphene, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's got these graphene heating elements right up here. They're not on right now, but you can kind of see these right here. See how they have those little squares in there? Those are the graphene heating elements. And this particular air fryer should heat up 40% faster than your other air fryers that you would have. So I just wanted to go over this thing. It's got that Flashwave rapid heat. The graphene heating technology allows heating elements to heat up rapidly in 0.2 seconds. And you can cook a full meal in like 15 minutes. Okay, and you know, here's the features here. It's got pizza, toast, bagel, broil, reheat, sear crisp, air fry, air roast, rapid bake, dehydrate. And it lets you change your functions, your light, your dark, you know, your power. This is your power button right here. It's kind of in orange. And then the push to start. So it's pretty basic, pretty easy to follow. The heating in this, like once these graphene heat rods up there start heating and the fan starts blowing, it's this S-shaped heating element right there. And that S-shaped heating element is bigger than most ovens. It's got a 24 quart size. You can do 6 slices of toast. You can do a 12-inch pizza. I wanted to show you on this, like, you know, most of your air fryers, they'll go up to 450 degrees, right? Well, this has a Sear Crisp feature. You know, if you want to crisp up your edges, crisp something up, your steak, whatever. Check this out. As far as the temp, look at this. This will go up to 500 degrees. How sweet is that in an air fryer? All right, you know, and that's for the Sear Crisp feature. Everything else, when you go to the other functions, 450 is your max. So, all right. Okay, here they are. Here's both of them side by each right here. This one here has the Flashwave technology. I'm telling you, I'm going to start this thing up. We're going to burn off just whatever little factory stuff is in there. And it's got the clear view window right there. Pretty nice. And like this one, you know, it comes with a quick start guide. It comes with instructions, if you want instructions. It also comes with tips and tricks. And like the other one, it also comes with an air fryer cookbook. All right, why is this so important? You got to look at this today. October 10th and 11th on Amazon with the link below. You got to click that link below. You can get this Tuesday and Wednesday, the 10th and the 11th only. $99. Okay, so if you're in the market to either replace the air fryer you have, if you don't have one, and you know what, the holidays are coming, get somebody that cooks in your family or somebody you think might like to have an air fryer that doesn't have one yet. Not everybody cooks outside, I know, I do, but every now and then, toaster oven, air fryer, bake, pizza, and yeah, we're gonna try those buns. Anyway, holidays are coming. That's why I've got so many reviews. I'm bringing you some products that I think are pretty cool, and hopefully you do too, but Tuesday, Wednesday only, $99. So there's one thing I did want to mention about these air fryers. You know, I've had 3 now, and I didn't used to have any. And I'll tell you what, I find myself using the air fryer more often than I use my very expensive microwave that's above my expensive oven. So yeah, very convenient. I shoot for reheating. I use it all the time. I love to make wings. I do other meats in it. I've made that chicken in this. Toast. Man, I honestly do use it more than I thought I would. So anyway, just wanted to bring that up. That there is a Comfee Toaster Oven Air Fryer with Flashwave Ultra Rapid Heat Technology. It's got a convection toaster oven with Bake Broil Roast. You can do 6 slices of toast, and it's large enough to do a 12-inch pizza, 24-quart capacity, and it has 4 accessories, and it's stainless steel. All right, so I'm going to do burn off on this, so I'm just going to get it started. I already washed everything out, but I wanted to show you in here those graphene elements right there. See how they heat up? And that right there is what they call instant heat, right there within 0.2 seconds. Instant heat. I could feel the heat outside this window. So this is something I'm really interested in. I mentioned bagels and hamburger buns. So I want to do a hamburger bun. All right. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to toss in a hamburger bun just like that. We got the clear view. I'm going to turn the power on. I am going to select bagel as my function. I'm going to, let's see, darkness goes up to 7. I think I'm going to do 4. Okay, time and slices, it goes by 2s. I only have, well, we have 2. All right, so yeah. Just press the start button and let's see what happens. So I have the darkness here on 4. I've only got 9 seconds and it is not going to toast it how I wanted it. So I may have to turn this back on for darkness. You know, I probably would have had to go a little longer. So I'm just going to let it go. So it was only set for 4 minutes, so maybe it takes about 5. We'll see. My burger. We call this a Sloppy Joe burger. It's got a meat patty and the Sloppy Joe mix with cheese. The top did get, I mean, it's kind of my fault because I didn't set it at 7 to begin with. I did 4, then I did 7, and hey, it's still going to be good. Okay, so now I'm going to make some breakfast. I'm going to air fry some bacon. I'm going to crank this up 350 for about 9 minutes. There we go. There's our bacon all nice and crispy. Now with this tray with the bacon grease on it, guess what I'm going to do next? Yeah, I'm going to fry a couple of eggs. So I'm going to put a couple of eggs in there and throw it back in at 350 for about 3 minutes. And once they're done, I'm going to pull them out. Look at that. Here they are. There you go. Fried eggs in an air fryer. And I'm going to do some toast. I toasted up a hoagie roll, and there we have toast, bacon, and eggs for breakfast in an air fryer. All right, now let's check out that Sear Crisp. We're going to make a T-bone steak tonight. We're putting it 500 degrees. It's preheating. You keep the pan in. Once it's preheated, you carefully lay your steak in there. I'm going to set this for 4 minutes and 40 seconds. We let it go. It ended. Look at that. Oh my. I will tell you, I left it in a little bit longer. It wasn't temping out just right. And anyway, I took it out. I let it go about another minute and a half. Now I'm going to do some Ore-Ida crowns. Let's take a look at this steak. It's been resting about 10 minutes, or 13 minutes. That's how long the crowns took. So it rested a little longer. That is definitely a medium, a little more than I like. But hey, I'm sure it'll be good. There's the crowns, some green beans, Check that out in that air fryer. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. They emailed me midway through my videoing, and it is now available today, Monday, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, for $99. If you're in the market for an air fryer, this one here works great. That 500 degrees on that crisp sear, that got hot, and I will tell you, it does smoke, and it'll smoke up your house. It set my smoke alarm off when I opened it up to temp check that steak. But I got to tell you, it was a little more done than I wanted because I just got busy. I had to let it rest a little longer than I wanted, but it was a medium, but it was so tender and so delicious. All right, 3 days, today, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 2023. I don't know what else to say. It is a very good air fryer. It does everything it says it does. And that graphene heating element, that thing does heat up super quick. Flashwave, 24 quart, plenty big, toaster oven air fryer. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.